This video has been prepared by FSU College of Law students under the supervision of licensed attorneys. It is intended to provide legal education only. The students are not attorneys, and the information provided does not constitute legal advice. We hope this information is helpful.
This video was created by second and third year law students and is not legal advice. The handout that goes with this video has step-by-step instructions and screenshots. You may hear terms that you are unfamiliar with, but these terms will be discussed in detail in our next video. Are you seeking a divorce in Florida? Here's how you start. In Florida, the legal term for divorce is dissolution of marriage. Either spouse can file for a dissolution of marriage by completing one of the Petition for Dissolution of Marriage forms. The Dissolution of Marriage forms can be found on the official Florida court website. You should select the form that best fits your situation. There are different dissolution of marriage forms depending on factors like whether you have children or shared property or debt with your spouse. There are 4 total forms for dissolution of marriage. Form 12.901A, Petition for Simplified Dissolution of Marriage. This form may only be used if you and your spouse have worked out how you will divide all the things that you own together and how to pay off any money that you may owe together. If either spouse wants financial support from the other, you may not use this form. If you and your spouse have children together, you may not use this form. Form 12.901B2, Petition for Dissolution of Marriage with Property but no dependent or minor children. You may use this form if you and your spouse have property together but no children. Form 12.901B3, Petition for Dissolution of Marriage with no dependent or minor children or property. You may use this form if you and your spouse do not have any property together and also do not have any children together. There is also one more form, which we will be discussing in this video series. Form 12.901B1, Florida's Petition for Dissolution of Marriage with Dependent or Minor Children. This form is the most broad dissolution of marriage form because it covers issues that couples with children and property may deal with. This form may be used when you and your spouse have children together. The picture on the second page of the handout is the first page you would fill out when completing this form. To file for divorce in Florida using Form 12.901B1, you must 1. Have lived in Florida for at least 6 months before filing for the divorce, and 2. Have dependent or minor children. Thank you for listening. Please tune in to our next informational video regarding key terms in Florida's divorce forms.
The Public Interest Law Center provides limited legal services, but if you would like to have your legal issue considered, please email us at pilc@law.fsu.edu.